Okay guys, so here's true transparency. As you can see, there's my account, it's ongoing. um they are saying I am down 9,000. As you can see, let me just go to the metrics. Okay, so there you can see I am down 8%, like I said here. um the target, the maximum daily loss is 1,000. My maximum daily loss is $500, and I basically lost $407 in a day. Or that was my drawdown amount. As you can see, my win rate for this on this was 25%. My risk reward was 1 is to 8, 1 is to 5, 7, 1 of the 6, sorry. Average profit 63, average loss 40, but I want to start here. And you will also see I only traded one currency. Okay, this is now today's results, as you can see. I just took some, this was yesterday. Yesterday I had a nice win there, as you can see. On gold, Friday I also had a good day on Friday. But yeah, previous days extremely hard to trade. As you can see, that is okay. So let's go to where it started. So we started on the 28th. We took our first trade. Was 0.6 lots, and we had a losing day of 1.5%. Then I was on a losing streak here. My trade setup just didn't work out, and then 0.9%. And then this was a break-even day. Actually, on the 1st of September, you'll see I took a loss and I also took a win. Let's go to the 1st of September. Here it is. So you will see I took a buy, but my entry was a bit off. These two, I opened these two at around 8:35, and the market spiked so quick and I was stopped out. That something drastically happened. However, on the same day, I took another setup and I entered 4.5. As you can see, we can check where I entered. Let's check here. As you can see, I entered right here after this break, and I exited the trade. My TP was actually here all the way up here. So then I recovered that. That's how I actually closed the day. You see here, I took a loss on these two, but then I had a break-even day on that day. The 2nd of September, I also took a winning day, 80 pips, 70 pips there. And then on the 3rd, I just took a quick scalp, also there, some 40 pips, 46 pips. And then on the 4th, I took 2 losses here. This was actually one trade idea, the sell here. And then you could see later on, I actually buy, and then I also got stopped out there. I went onto a tangent there. This was also not good this day. The 4th, I can go into detail because I did make records of what happened on those days. And then the 8th of September, the market was just not giving, and then I also used a higher lot size here. That's why I only lost basically 1 pip, 2 pips, 2 points. But because my lot size was that high, it was a $94 loss. But I just look it in terms of percentages. Then on the same day, on that 8th, you can see I had lost there, but then I made more. So let's see, what was my profit for that day, for the 8th. So you see, I took 3 losing days, then I had 2 winning days, 150. Then I had that big loss losing day there. Then I had this winning day, small profit there. Again, these two losses. This is what I was talking about, where I was already in a drawdown. You see, these two losses made me be like 3% already in drawdown. And then Friday, Monday, and then today. So you see, I tried to come back from that, and then I messed up my psychology anyhow. And my it was 45% actually my win rate, but now it's obviously because I took all 11 trades today. As you can see, I also took more trades. The more trades I took, the more I lost. So I know my strategy, and most of my losses here is because I overtraded, and because also I'm limited. I can only use like 0.10 lots sizes also, because I cannot over risk, because I don't want to lose $500 in a day, and I'm used to actually risking like $200 to $300, so it's fine. But trade setup, I can even risk 500 because I've been trading also with bigger capital before. So yeah, this was my results. And yeah, like I said, as you can see, 13 days trading days. um Can I bring this account back? I highly doubt so. You see, at today's permitted loss, I almost blew it. Because if it was $92 more, I would have like just lost the account. But is it really worth it to trade with like I said, $200? But it's $193 that I still have left to trade with. If I lose that, I can probably use very short, small lot sizes and see how it's gonna go. But yeah, you see, I made wins and I made losses. So yeah, this is true transparency, guys. I wanna bring your attention to my consistency score. So my consistency score is very high because I'm trading one pay. I'm also trading at the same times. I'm also trading. You can see I try to keep the lot sizes consistent, and I think that is what they keep in mind. Well, now with these prop firms, they look for consistency. um I must say, even like there's some trades there that I can see I actually manage my risk well. But then there's other trades where I just went, like today, I went rogue. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys this. And yeah, finally you can see, oh sorry, you can see here. My trading objective is actually I must make 10,000, sorry. I must make $11,000. I must be up with $11,000 to pass, and I am down here. You can see here I started off down. I made some profits, then down, then I came up, and then it was just downwards from here. But the more you are in drawdown, like when I was in I was in drawdown of like 4%, and that really it played with my psychology. So yeah, that is what I was talking about in the previous video. So yeah, true transparency.